Hi, let's solve this question together. Okay, Paul has a stack of $10 notes and Roy has a stack of $2 notes. So after Paul used 3/5 of her notes and Roy used 2/9 of his notes, they have the same number of notes left. Okay, and they had 672 altogether in the end. How much money did Roy have at first? So in this question, the confusing part is that one of them is having $10 notes, the other one is having $2 notes. Okay, and the question only tells you that they have the same numbers of notes left. It's not the same amount of money, but same number of notes. So for example, if each one of them is having two notes, Royce will have $4 and Paul will have $20. Okay, so let's proceed to draw the diagram. So based on the question, it says that Paul used 3/5 of her notes. Actually, okay, actually should be of his notes. Okay, so if he used 3/5, then I assume he will left with 2U. Okay, and if Roy 2/9 used 2/9 of his notes, so he used 2/9 of his notes. Okay, he will be left with 7 units. Okay, so remember, because their notes are different, I use different units to represent as well. Okay, so for this type of question, all you need to do is make sure that these two numbers is the same, because they tell you the number of notes is the same. Okay, at the end, so you need to make the number of units the same. So in this case, the easiest is I choose 14. So 2 times 7 will give me 14. 7 times 2 also give me 14. So similarly on the use part, 3 times 7 will give me 21 and 2 times 2 will give me 4. Okay, so Paul has 14 units times $10 notes and Roy has 14 units times $2 notes. So in the end, their number of notes is the same. Okay, now let's solve it. Okay, so remember the question says that they have 672 altogether in the end. That's in terms of money, the actual amount. So which means that if we take Paul, 14 units times $10 plus Roy, 14 units times $2, total will give us 672. So solving this equation, we will know that U is equal to 4. Okay, so if U is equal to 4, we can easily solve what does Roy has at first. So Roy, remember he has 14 units plus 4 units of $2. So I have 14 units plus 4 units of $2 and each U is 4. So 14 times 4 times $2 plus 4 times 4 times $2. So if you solve it, Roy will have $144. Okay, hopes that helps.